I think being a female boss, you can be underestimated. I would say that's the biggest challenge that women face. But there's part of me that kind of loves that. It gives me more chance to prove them wrong and show them how spectacular I can be at my job.
I started out on my own selling tools, and lots of people couldn't work out how a woman goes to a men's market and puts the tools out and does all the lifting. Now when I look around and I see my 6 ladies picking up the tools, it's a it's a nice feeling.
eBay's helped me succeed because it's meant that I'm not tied to one place.
You can sell your tools 24 hours a day, rain, snow.
We've got fantastic products at great prices, and I think customers are looking to save money wherever they can.
I think it's about having a passion for something that you really love doing.
Boss ladies, I love a boss lady.
Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.